Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And to this video, I'm going to show you how to unveil a lot of custom shapes in Photoshop without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, you want to make sure you come to your shape tools right here, click and hold down, and then you're going to navigate to custom shapes right here. Now from custom shape, you come to the top right here, and then you see some of the few shapes right here, such as wide animal. If I uncheck, you see wide animal. If I open this folder, you see different kind of leaf. And if I open this folder, you see different boats right here and flowers right here. How can we add more custom shapes into this particular Photoshop? So for that, we want to make sure we click on this settings icon right here, and you want to come to append default shapes right here, and then append the shapes defaults to the list of shape presets. Simply click on OK. Boom. And then come back to your shapes right here. You have them more